Hi there. I'm interested in renting a bike for the weekend. Do you have any available?
Good morning. Yes, we do have several bikes available. Were you looking for any particular type?
Well, I'm planning to ride along the waterfront trail. Nothing too intense, just some casual riding.
Perfect. For the waterfront trail, I'd recommend either our comfort cruisers or our hybrid bikes. The cruisers are more relaxed, while the hybrids give you a bit more speed and efficiency.
The hybrid sounds good. How much would that cost for the weekend?
Our weekend rate for hybrids is $45, which covers Saturday and Sunday. That includes a helmet, lock, and basic repair kit.
That seems reasonable. Do I need to leave some kind of deposit?
Yes, we require a $100 security deposit, which you'll get back when you return the bike in good condition. We'll also need a piece of photo ID to keep on file during the rental period.
Okay, that makes sense. And what are your hours for pickup and return? Question 1. What type of bike does the man decide to rent?
Question 2. How much is the security deposit for the bike rental? So, our hours are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekends. You can pick up anytime after 8 tomorrow morning, and we ask that you return by 6 p.m. on Sunday.
That works for me. Oh, I just realized I might need the bike for Monday as well. Is that possible?
Absolutely. We can extend your rental to include Monday. That would change the rate to $60 total for the 3 days.
Great, let's do that then. Also, do you have any recommendations for routes along the waterfront? I'm new to the area.
Of course, we actually have some maps right here. The most popular section starts at Harbor Point and goes about 12 kilometers to Sunset Beach. It's mostly flat with beautiful views of the bay.
That sounds perfect. Are there places to stop for lunch along the way?
Yes, there's a lovely cafe about halfway and several picnic areas if you prefer to bring your own food. The trail is well marked with rest stops every few kilometers.
Wonderful. I think I'm all set then. Should I fill out some paperwork now? Question 3. Why does the man change his rental plan?
Question 4. What is true about the woman?
Question 5. How long is the waterfront trail that the woman recommends?
Yes, if you'd like to reserve the bike now, I'll need you to complete this rental agreement. It just outlines our policies and your responsibilities.
Sure thing. Oh, wait, I just remembered something. What happens if it rains? Is there a cancellation policy?
Good question. If you need to cancel due to weather, we offer a full refund with 24 hours notice. If you've already picked up the bike and the weather turns bad, you can return it early and we'll only charge for the time you used it.
That's really reasonable. And one last thing. What if I get a flat tire or something breaks while I'm out riding?
The The basic repair kit includes patches for flat tires, but if you encounter any serious mechanical issues, just give us a call. Our number is on the rental agreement and the bike itself. We can either talk you through a simple fix or arrange to bring you a replacement bike if needed.
Perfect. That's really reassuring. I think I'm ready to fill out that paperwork now and get everything set for tomorrow morning.
Great. Just fill out this form with your contact information and payment details, and we'll have your hybrid bike ready for you first thing tomorrow.
Question 6. What is the shop's policy if it rains after the bike is picked up? Question 7. What is true about the man? Question 8. What will most likely happen next?